wonders, kids.
Little Motu Rabbit and the Story of the Jungle.
Little Motu Rabbit and the Unity of the Jungle.
Come, my friend, let's start the story of Unity of the Jungle.
A long time ago, there was a beautiful, green, and vast jungle. The king of that jungle was a powerful lion named Raja. Raja was very proud of his strength and believed that he would never need anyone's help. In the same jungle lived a small rabbit named Motu, who was famous for his intelligence and kind-hearted nature. A reign of trouble. One day, dark clouds suddenly covered the sky and heavy rain began to pour. The jungle river overflowed and mud spread everywhere. King Raja was standing proudly on a tall, rocky cliff, admiring his power. Suddenly, his paw slipped on the wet surface and he fell into deep, muddy sludge. Raja tried his best to escape, but the more he struggled, the deeper he sank. He let out a mighty roar. "Help! Is anyone there to save me?" The large animals were too frightened to come near. But then, little Motu Rabbit stepped forward. "Don't worry, Your Majesty. We will all work together and get you out," said Motu. Suddenly, Motu remembered the strength of unity. Motu quickly ran to Elephant Grandpa and gathered the monkeys, deer, and bears. According to Motu's plan, the monkeys collected strong vines from the trees. One end of the vine was thrown toward the lion. Elephant Grandpa held the other end firmly with his trunk. But Motu shouted, "1, 2, 3, pull!" All the animals pulled together with all their strength. Slowly but surely, King Raja was pulled out of the mud. His life had been saved. A new beginning. For the first time, Raja's eyes were filled not with pride, but with gratitude and humility. He hugged Motu and said, "Today, you taught me that true strength is not in roaring alone." From that day on, the rules of the jungle changed. Raja treated every animal with respect, and the entire jungle became one big family. The powerful king and his wisest advisor, little Motu Rabbit, led the jungle together. Quiz time! Let's see how well you remember the story. 1. Who made the plan to save the lion? A. Elephant Grandpa. B. Motu Rabbit. C. Bear. 2. Where was the lion trapped? A. In a cave. B. On a tree. C. In deep mud. 3. Where did Elephant Grandpa hold the vine, rope? A. In his hand. B. In his trunk. C. In his mouth. 4. What is the main message of this story? A. Strength is everything. B. Unity is strength. C. Rain is bad. Do you know the answers? Write your answers in the comments like this: 1A, 1B, 1C. The first viewers to answer correctly may have their names mentioned in the next story, Little Motu Rabbit and the Jungle. Bye for now, my dear friends. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and more exciting stories.